up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them
High
up,
volume.
cross them up, all these street need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Skinny Bag Ree, and I am back with another video. So today, y'all, as y'all can see by the title, we got Chicago's finest Harold's chicken, bro. And when you go to Harold's, I'm gonna tell you exactly what to get right now. You get however many wings you want. Start with a 4 and go with I got a 12. So it's a 12 wing dinner. And I got mild sauce and salt and pepper on that thing, man. You have to get mild sauce and salt and pepper on that thing. Then I got some extra mild sauce right here just in case, you know, I feel a little saucy today, you feel me? But this looking scrumptious right now. I haven't had it in a while. So we about to get into this, y'all. If y'all haven't already, for my skinny backians, big backians, Czechoslovakians, better than backians, make sure you subscribe right now. Make sure you like the video because we eats good over here. We skinny back, I'm Skinny Back Ree, but we eat good. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into this video. Man, I don't even know what to start with, man. We gonna start with a wing, man. Let's start with a wing. Look at that. If y'all don't see, y'all see that? Boy, that wing looking scrumptious, right? You see the skin off that thing right there? Now grab that. Y'all, if y'all ever in Chicago, we watching from a different state, y'all gotta try Harold's, man. You gotta try Harold's. Harold's is so fire. When I tell you, don't eat it every day though. I can't eat this every day. This gotta be a craving, like, like you gotta crave it so much to the point, you know, as soon as you get it, you're gonna devour it. These fries hitting too. Fries the best part. Okay. Yeah, eat that boy till it's gone. don't think nothing is better than Harold's. I really don't. This thing fire. I don't want to let pause. No meat on this motherfucker. No chicken. These fries hitting right now, bro. Mm, 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 mm. Man. So yeah, y'all. Really, Harold's really famous for that mild sauce. I think. And mild sauce be hitting. Wings be fire too, but that mild sauce, that's just a Chicago feeling, like. Mild sauce something different. Now them fries gone, as y'all can see. Fries hit. Mm. That bone quick. All my bones in there. We. Probably eat one more wing for y'all, man. I'm getting full. Last one for y'all. Man. Alright, y'all, with that being said, y'all see, I could not finish this. Like, this was just a lot. I got a 12 win. It was just a lot. But it's really good. Like, this was fire. If y'all haven't already, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And make sure you comment down below, what is your famous chicken spot? Like, everybody got a chicken spot that they famous for. We famous for Harold's in Chicago. Comment down below from where you from. Where's your famous chicken spot at? That being said, at the end of this video,